Today I want to show you this super cool flashlight I got. Thank the manufacturer for sending it to me. It's got so many modes, I'll try and go through all of them, but anyway, there's a light up front here and a UV light, and then a white light here and a colored light here. So if I triple click, this will go into SOS mode, and then if I switch, it'll go into just blinkety blink mode, and then you push and hold it to turn it off. Turn this on, and it goes into bright mode, and then you can turn it down through 5 different shades. So if you wanted it to last a little longer, you can do that. Click that and hold that to turn it off. You turn this on and hold it to get a bright light here, and then you can change the brightness of that. And then when you double click that, you get through red, green, blue, flashing red, so in emergency mode, back to red, or back to a bright white light. The other cool thing it's got a clip where you can clip it this direction or that direction. It's got a USB charging port, so you could like charge your headphones with the battery in here, and then this is how you charge the flashlight itself. So it's a super cool, heavy-duty aluminum, waterproof flashlight. I'm excited about it. I'm going to really like this and use it. So.